Hey y'all. This is Voice Paul, the voice of NOAA Weather Radio, on behalf of CXP EAS 05 Media Network, and more. Do you want to consider giving CXP more subscriber milestones? Or are you busy doing some random brainrot memes on your phone, or any other devices? Actually, don't do the toilet cringe. You know what to do: like, comment, subscribe, and tap the notification bell for more videos.
What's up, NFL? Since the ACL 14 does not go off or does not work on the WDLV, I'm going to use the CL 100 to put it on the There we go.
This is National Weather Radio, the 24-hour voice of your National Weather Service. The receiving signal was a test of a public warning and alarm for transmitters in the Florida listening area, originating from West Coast weather. This was also a test of the same system or specific area message encoder. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon, and again between...
Yeah, since this one does not work on that one, so I'm going to...
Breaking down data silos.
We now return to regular programming.
Yeah, since it doesn't work on that one, I'm gonna...
And again, between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threatens. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.
Gotta use 88.7 on the CL 100, so... Since it doesn't work on the... Since 88.7 does not work on the CL 100, I'm gonna have to use it on the CL 100 instead. There you go. test right on time.
This is normal weather radio. The 24-hour weather service is still on the service. The preceding signal was a test of the public warning. The same system will alert only the county or counties affected by a particular warning. These tests are conducted each Wednesday between 11 a.m. and 3 between 6 p.m. and 8 p.m. unless severe weather threats. This concludes the weekly test. We now return to regular programming.